trick or treat, huh? Okay, hold steady. Little bit hot. Careful.
It smells
Here you
so
go, beta.
good.
1 spoon for you and 1 for you. Mind the gravy.
Thank you, Aunt.
You think a storm like this is gonna keep me from getting in there? Well, you thought wrong!
Hey, what in the world? Out of my yard, don't think I won't use this? Get back!
You can't fucking see me, bitch! I'm the fucking bitch John C. Best! I fucking love being invisible. Something's in my ass.